Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fishing Glass. Today I'm going to show you the new chipper I got, the Champion from Home Depot. It's pretty much the only one they had left, but it is rated pretty good and got like 4.5 out of 5 stars. It does work good for, up to 3-inch branches. This here chute is for your leaves and small branches up to 1/2 inch. And then you come around here and here's where you put in your larger branches up to 3 inches into here. The only thing I didn't like about the design or the product itself was the bag chute, because so low to the ground it shoots as you can see, makes a tremendous pile with the wood chips. But the bag itself doesn't really stay on too well, so I had to get actually a bungee cord to make it stay on there better, because their cord is worthless that's on it. But other than that, it's a good running machine. So let me pause this video and then we'll go ahead and start her up, and we'll put some of my beech branches in there. All right, hold on. Okay, I've got her running now. It is very loud. I'll try to put a branch in there. I will put one in and then good. The bag's working good. No problem. Just go ahead and put in this branch here. Probably about 1.5 inches. Right in. Yep. Right in there. Good job on that one. Grab another one here. See how quickly that stuff all in the bag, right here. So you don't get to pull it out. Now if you want to pull it out into a garden area, it's nice to grab the handles here. Right back here. Pull it forward to the moving. Now it is pretty heavy, but it's in for somebody in their late 80s to try to put it around, but for the average person it looks just fine. Alright, this is Gene. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Forgot to mention the hopper. So we'll go ahead and get on that. Show you how the hopper works. That branches here. Remember that they recommend